This is the lounge. You can wait here. They have decorated some few Christmas flowers here. And then here we have the lift. I'm looking for you everywhere and I cannot see you. Your work is just to dance. What's wrong with you?
A new home for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to.
You have something to say?
I'm sitting in the lobby.
Oh, yeah, I wait for something.
Yeah.
A Christmas gift. Christmas tree.
So we are in Valletta. We have arrived and we have already checked into our hotel. So we just want to give you a small tour of where we are staying. The name of the hotel is AX the Victoria Hotel in Valletta. So when you come in, this is the entrance, of course. And then here we have this place. It is like a storage place. We have already put our clothes. We have our safety box here and some drawers in here just to put anything that you want. And then when you move here, we have the little fridge here. If you buy something, you can store it in here.
They call it mini bar.
Yeah, mini bar. But this one doesn't have anything.
So we put it and it will be a big bar.
Big bar. And then more storage space like that. Then on this other side, we have like a coffee area. We have some coffee, tea, milk, and everything that you need to make coffee. And then here we have, it's like a working table.
Yeah, when you use, and you can put your laptop there.
Yeah, and then this one is the menu to food that they sell in this hotel. So if you want to eat anything, in-room dining menu,
The price there too, I see.
Yeah. And then now, here is the best part. We have the big bed here, as usual. I love big beds. It's well made. Then on the sides, we just have the telephone, the bedside drawer, and the lights. And then here, we have a place to put our luggages, suitcases, and so on. A small TV here. Then a small sitting area.
Yeah, there you can enjoy yourself.
Yeah. And then here, it's just the same like the other part. We have the light here. And then look at this bedboard. It looks good and it's so big.
Maybe you buy
Then
one of them.
I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way.
So, the best part of the hotel is that we got a free upgrade. So that means we were upgraded to a room with a balcony. So we have a small balcony here. Come, let's show them. Like this. It's very tiny. So we have a small balcony here where you can sit and just relax, and it will be very helpful when we have the sunrise. So, and over there, as you can see, this is how Valletta looks like. And just over there, a walking distance, we have the sea. So if we want to go and swim, we have the sea there.
Oh, it's very hot too.
Yeah, it's very hot. That's good.
Yeah.
Come here now. Here.
Oh, Pina.
Lazy man.
Uh-huh.
Then here we have our bathroom. So we just have a small toilet here, some towels, and a sink. The sink is very large. And then large mirrors for me. I usually love very large mirrors.
Okay.
Then here, on this other side, we have the shower place. We have
you can sit there and take a bath.
yeah, a small bathtub and the shower place. The shower is there. Then we have some towels here. And here we have toiletries. body lotion, hand wash. Yeah, and they are also on this other side. We have hair shampoo and conditioner and shower gel.
Yeah.
So this is basically our hotel room. AX, the Victoria Hotel in Valletta, Malta.
I did a lot of bad things, and never did I give in. Just 'cause the thought of being vulnerable made me feel less than I am. I have never felt home till you entered my door. And from that moment I knew that a home is whatever you choose.
So we are on the balcony of the hotel and the sun is right here. That's why I cannot even open my eyes. Oh, we can sit here and enjoy the sun. Oh my God, I need my sunglasses. And then there is the sea, just there. Maybe tomorrow we can go to the sea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's hot. It's over 20 degrees.
Then why are you putting on a jacket?
I will take it off.
And then like this is the aerial view of Malta. It looks like almost the same like Greece, and they are neighbors, that's why. Then up here we have the outdoor pool. That one is the deep one. I don't know if they are close to the outdoor pool. Then here we have the indoor pool. It's not so deep, it's very shallow and a small one. Some seabeds to relax on. Then on the other end we have the sauna and the steam bath. And we have a small Christmas tree here.
A Christmas boss.
Yeah. Christmas.
Okay, we go and buy.
Oh wow, here it looks so nice. This is the outdoor area where we have the pool there. Come.
This bigger.
It's bigger, but it is shallow. It's also 1.2 meter. It's not.
Yeah, but this side, but maybe not another side.
Maybe the other side it is big.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh my God, very beautiful out there.
Oh yeah, it looks so beautiful. It looks almost like Greece. And then we have the ocean there.
Yeah, so then I was happy. I don't go with Greece with you.
So now you are happy. But here you are near Greece. Malta is near Greece and Sicily.
Yeah, it's close to Italy too.
Yeah, Sicily in Italy.
Uh-huh. Yeah, the queen. The queen of video. The queen of video. There we have her.
Okay, let's go and find something to eat. The sun is so strong. I
Yeah.
need sunglasses.
I see that you.
Yeah. They have removed all the seabeds in this area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It start to be winter here.
Winter.
The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I.
And these are the corridors to the rooms. It's a little bit dark, but it's okay. Our room was here. No, 526. These are the. So this is the top floor. This one is the pool area. We have some sandbeds here, you can relax. If you want to swim, we have some swimming towels there. You can pick one. Then we have a swimming pool here, although it is very, very minute. This one is like for little babies. It is only 1.5 meters. Yeah, there, they have written 1.5 meters. Yeah, I will try to swim, though it is very shallow. A small Christmas tree here, some sitting area, and why do they even have this one and the pool? Yo-yo, why do they have this one and yet the pool is so shallow? Who will drown in this small pool?
This can be kids are scared and not so good to swim.
Yeah.
That's why they have it, so they can cast it and they feel more better. Yeah, it's like that.
Okay, more sitting area. It looks good. Then on this other side we have the sauna. Is the sauna free also?
Yeah.
Also we can come to the sauna.
Yeah, we can sit here and enjoy yourself.
Oh, then we'll come. Are you opening? Maybe there's someone there. There's someone in there?
No.
Okay, let me take a video.
You go in there?
No, oh, it's small. Yeah, the sauna here. It's already heating. I'll come to the sauna.
And this, what is this for?
This one is the steam room.
Oh, steam.
Yeah. Is it also closed?
No,
It's closed? It's open. This one is a very small one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's steam.
The steam room.
My glasses are now, the steam has gone on my
Yeah.
glasses. Yeah. Oh, so it's good and it's free. We have some water, drinking water here. Yeah. Then we have a shower here, very big one. And then on this other side, we have the balcony. You can sit here when we have sun. We are just waiting for the sun to come. Let me open. Yelpamai.
I help. Oh, it's not so much sun.
No, the sun has not yet come. Yesterday there was so much sun.
Yeah.
So this is the balcony, and as you can see, there is a lot of similarity between Malta and Greece. Even the houses, look the way they are made, the flat roofs, yeah, the white buildings, they are very, very similar. So this is the aerial view of Malta, and over there you can see the sea, the Mediterranean. So Yo-Yo, here in Malta, we are close to Africa.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want, you can go to Tunisia or, yeah, the closest African country is Tunisia. Yeah, and we don't have people.
No, they are inside because now they feel cold. No, but not for me because I'm a Viking.
Ha, Mr. Viking. Yeah, this is how Malta looks like. Malta. The sun will come, don't worry.
Yeah, the sun. Oh, look over there, the sun is little bit.
Yeah, over there the sun, so it is coming.
It was very good yesterday, but now it's little Japan.
Maybe it will come in the afternoon. Yeah. So this is one of the restaurants where we are having breakfast. We have several of them. Like for dinner, it was another one. This one is only for breakfast, and I will have to show you the other ones. It looks awesome. Yeah, this is the hotel where we are staying.